Yo, 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 what is going on, people? And in today's lecture, we are going to start researching phase, and we are going to use Teespring. Yes, same old Teespring, teespring.com, where we are going to basically start researching some of the products, some of the t-shirts that we could use, and we could copy some kind of, right? We could get some ideas of pretty successful ones or t-shirts we have found on teespring.com. So basically we are going to use Teespring to research for t-shirts, for t-shirt designs, right? So let's start. Go to teespring.com and you have this awesome website. You had a recommendations for you. So these are, I have maybe searched for, right? So it's cool for her. It's a 24th of January 2018, and this is when Valentine's Day is coming, and it's pretty big thing, and and we can see a bunch of different t-shirts that are kind of Valentine's Day related. So get your rainbow on, features, collections, cool for him. Those are pretty cool t-shirts I can see here, with ice cream. I don't know, featured collections, brutal kittens. Oh my, there are a bunch of different awesome options you can choose from, you can get ideas from. And I have clicked on this one. And what about you? You look pretty good. It's like 3 cats stacked on each other on the ice cream. And back is no, okay. Rush shipping available. Don't know what it means actually. And we can see that available until tomorrow, and you can see that this is a campaign. Then you will basically buy it if you are going to get some kind of number of buys from customers. Teespring is going to ship to the customers. You can see they have a different color options. Of course, we have a blankets, we have just a print, we have an iPhone case, and it's not a blanket, it's wall tapestry, pillows, canvas print, stickers. Wow, a bunch of different stuff with this one, right? That's pretty cool. And you can see it probably how much it costs. It costs 15 pounds. I don't know why it's in pounds. I don't know why I'm in UK. What else, mates? And yeah, as you can see, this is pretty much, I mean, I bet you that this is pretty successful t-shirt. And again, before you dive into this even more, you need to make sure that you are taking your step forward because of the trends. Trends are coming, like holiday seasons, like different news, Trump, dogs, what else? Valentine's Day is coming, and then I am recording this. You need to make sure that you are making sure that you are what's coming, right? Trends, news, some kind of events, sports. I don't know. As I said, political things. You really need to make sure that you know this stuff. You really need to make sure that you are on this. You're on this, right? So if we go to appear and we go to, I don't know, animal lover. By the way, I have some idea. On possible winning t-shirts. It's going to be about cats. Wow, Davantos, you're so original. Wow. Well, it's not about originality. It's all about passion product. It's all about people who are really passionate about something. As you can see, apparel has a bunch of different options. It's a hobbyist. It's patriotic. It's names, jobs, beer tanks, And if we go to teespring.com homepage again, adventure, apparel, artistic, beer, LGBT, jobs, hoodies, holidays, sports, you know, a bunch of different stuff. And I just clicked on animal lover. You can see tats and cats. Let's click on it. It's a tat. It's a tank, best-selling tank t-shirt. As you can see in the teespring.com itself, you can see a bunch of different products, and you can basically see what we are telling, what we are mentioning in their descriptions, what kind of you know, screenshots we have. What about what is this? A sticker. It's a premium tee. It's a Teespring mug, and stats and cats. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. What about you? Cat person, right? You're a cat person. I don't know if this is a successful one or not, but you know, you have to go to teespring.com and see a bunch of different designs and what we basically have to offer. So cats, basically just a cat. I just wrote in the search a cat. I don't know how to know if they are actually successful just by going to teespring.com, but let's just click on this one. I work hard so my cat can live a better life. That's a pretty cool t-shirt right now. They are offering this for £16. They have a few different color options. That's pretty cool. That's pretty damn cool. You know, that's all about the cats, you know. Prassia cat, coffee plus cat equals cat. What? Caffeine. Wow, that's okay. And you can see that Teespring even offers you delivery before Valentine's Day with standard shipping, which basically means that, okay, well, let's say we have a pretty much good understanding that you need to really make sure that you are leading. You know trends, you know what's coming, what holidays, what's in politics, sports, you know, animals, passion product, you know, this all of JAG, you know. Let's create a t-shirt where we are going to basically mention cats. Okay, let's just search for cats at this point. Okay, so if we are going on teespring.com, we know that we love cats. We know that there are a bunch of people, billions of people who loves cat, and we actually want to make sure that we are making this for Valentine's Day. Yeah. So this is just a pretty basic cat, which probably was downloaded. This image was downloaded from FreePic or whatever. And it's just a text. It's a mug. Okay, it's not a t-shirt. We have this one. That's probably a little bit of copycat from, you know, Rip and Dip, and it's just really creative. I know, you know, that's cool. That's really cool. So, you know, cats. What about other stuff? What do you love, guys? What do you love? Beer, of course. Beer is good. You know, beer is good. I make beer disappear. It's a superpower. It's a bunch of hoodies. It's t-shirts, beer season, my truck. I make beer disappear. What's your superpower? Again, as you can see, it's the same quote, but with a just different, you know, design. So yeah, I don't know if it's by the same person. Oh, by the way, it's 1058 sold, last day to order. So basically what this means is that we could eventually copy this text, like the exact same text, but with different design, you know. We don't want to just straightforwardly just copy this design, just put it on Teespring. Of course you can do that, but well, please don't be that people. Oh my gosh, I hate them. Sorry for that, but come on. You don't want to basically just copy the exact same design, okay? What about this? Is it by the same person? I don't know. Let's see. It might be. They don't show us how much they have sold, But you know, that's pretty cool. That's another idea for you, niche idea. What about others? What about holiday? Holiday. Okay, well, holiday just went past. You know, my holiday workout. You know, oh yeah, that's a okay. Well, that's a pretty good niche. Is a workout. You know, just about pumping your ass out. Workout. I work out because punching people is something. I don't know what they said. It's, oh my, I don't even know what they wrote. It's frowned upon. I don't know. But again, that's a pretty cool idea, you know. Well, the reason for this lecture is that you just need to get the same, like, you know, blueprint on if you want to go and you don't have any ideas in your head, you know, whatsoever, you know, you don't know what the heck I want to create. I just want to make money, you know. Maybe I just want to even create a brand. Go to teespring.com, go to apparel, go to work, go to search bar, just type in different ideas, niches, you know, you could think about, and just search for them. Okay, just search for them. You just see what other people are creating. Maybe what successful design. What about this? What about that? You know, just go there, see what other people are creating, and yeah, this way you will eventually be able to generate some ideas for your t-shirt, right? So that's pretty much what I wanted to talk about in this particular lecture. I know this is really important for you if you don't have any ideas whatsoever in your head. So via teespring.com you will be able to search from different categories, different niches for your success, okay, for your successful t-shirt, let's say about t-shirt. So that's pretty much it for today's lecture. I hope you like this lecture. I hope you're getting something really good from my course. And if you do so, please leave a review. And if you don't, please take a second, take a minute and write me a personal message. I will make sure that it will get back to you in a minute, in an hours. Okay, so please don't hesitate. Ask me questions. Ask what's on your mind, what you're thinking about, and yeah, I will see you in the next lecture.